All set na, Gar? All goods na, all set na.
Central Visayas. Andyan sila Champion Vision Prioli, Marcos Rosano.
Isa game for Team of Region 7 up against our Team of Region 8. Let's play some basketball. Tatluan na for the opening ng ating 10 minutes. Number 4. Good for 1 point. There was a long call for a throw opening violation.
Tuloy lang ang laro. Napalang po dito, tuloy lang ang laro.
We have only 4 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, step back, creating some space. At sapan itong nasa blue shirt for Team of Region 8. At number 1. Okay.
Sarado Chapa.
We have only 8 minutes and 45 seconds from the top of the cable jumper. Minimintis nitong mga batang nakaputi for Team of Region 7. But number 1, step back. In and out for Team of Region 8. 0 up against 1. Huli. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. We have only 5 seconds on the shot clock.
Statisticians.
8 minutes and 10 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Lumalamang pa rin for Team of Region 7. At number 1 for Team of Blue Shirt. Arasing nitong mga defender for Team of Region 7. Number 1, but 1 seconds on the shot clock.
Shot clock na.
Red call for a shot clock violation.
Nakita na mga referee sa shot clock.
7 minutes and 40 seconds from downtown. Wala para sa grupo ng Region 7. With 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock.
That's going to be a travel.
Seven minutes to go. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4. Iikot. But taken for Team of Blue Shirt. Itong numero 4 din. Standing for number 1. 1-on-1 isolation play. Itong big boy. With 6 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Stolen for Team of Region 7. Tupo ko lang dalawa. Not good for the 2-point lane. But number 2. Pero minimintes yung acrobatic shot sana nitong mga grupo ng Region 7 from downtown. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Six minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1. But battle for rebound. Agawan sa buko. But naagaw nitong number 1 for Team of Region 7. 0 up against 3. We have a 3-point lead.
Shot clock expiring. Yan. Agaw din. Tuloy-tuloy na. 4-0 start. Para sa mga taga-Central Visayas, who is looking to sweep his full play. Region 7, ang panalo na po. Siguradong first place sila sa full C.
Tawa ka sa'yo rin, ha? We have only 5 minutes to go. Number 4. Boom! Good for 1 point. Sa unang pagkakataon, nakapuntos na for Team of Region 8. Number 4 for Team of Region 7. Good for 1. 1-5. We have a 4-point lead from downtown. Pero hindi na ilabas ng maayos. 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining time. 4 na minuto 41 para sa ating 10 minutong paglalaro. This is a game for Team of Region 8 up against for Team of Region 7. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 2 seconds on the shot clock.
Shot clock expiring. Sakto, 4 na minuto.
We have only 4 minutes to go. 1-5, we have a 4-point lead. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, reverse shot. Pero hindi putback. Wala pa rin for Team of Region 7. Pero abante ng 4 na puntos itong mga nasa putian. Number 4. But sending for number 3 para sa grupo. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. We have only...
One more time.
Call for another shot clock violation for Team of Region 8. At a good defense yung pinapakita ng mga Region 7 para sa ating ball game. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 3, harassing by Big Boy, sending for number 1. We have 8 seconds on the shot clock. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Ginagamitan ng katawan. Pero yung paggamit na yun, meron din gumamit ng foul laban sa team ng Blue Shirt Region 8. 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time.
Hindi na ngayon si Marcos Lozano ng Region 7. Tapos na yung free throw.
We have only time remaining 3 minutes to go. We have 9 seconds on the shot clock.
With recognition.
Up the pass! Bang! Good for 1 point. Gandang pasa sa ilalim para sa grupo ng Region 7, 1-6. But from the 80-foot jumper, get a lucky bounce. May halong buenas. Good for 1 point for Team of Region 8. We have a 4-point lead. 4 na puntos yung inaabante para sa grupo ng Region 7 laban sa team ng Region 8. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time.
Marcos Lozano again for his free throw.
Not good for Lozano. 2 minutes and 34. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4, the Big Boy. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Mapuputokan na naman ang shot clock. But legal play. Pero hindi naging legal yung mapanat nitong number 1 for Team of Region 8.
Good steal. Medyo madulas. Jump ball na yan. Napupunta sa mga nakaputi ang bola.
We have only time left remaining 2 minutes to go.
One more foul.
Mga iklalaro na yun.
Action continues.
1 minute and 48 seconds. Number 1, pinagpag yung depensa. Pero hindi maganda yung pagkakapagpag para sa grupo ng Region 7. But there was foul. Call for a foul for Team of White Shirt. First team foul. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Nasa warning for penalty na po for Team of Region 8. Bagamat first team foul pa lang para sa grupo ng Region 7. But number 3, perimeter jumper. Good for 1.
Tatlo na lang hinahabol ng mga taga Eastern Visayas.
3-6. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, couple of spin. But taken for number 3, recover. But stop in a pull-up jumper. No, 1 minute and 30 seconds. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, huli ka boy! Hindi ka makakapanungkit ng pangkahoy. Sabi nitong number 2 for Team of Region 7. 3 up against 6. We have only 3 point time remaining. We have only 1 minute to go. 4 seconds on the shot clock.
But they lost the ball.
$55 seconds. We have only 50 seconds. A jumper, boom! Good for 2 points. 42 seconds for B-Boy. Leaving inside number 1, we have only 39.2 seconds remaining time. 39.2 seconds. $35 seconds. Last and final free throw, good for 1. We have only 25 seconds. 3-9 penetration, good for 1 point. 4 up against 9. We have only 20 seconds. Malapit na tayong matapos para sa ating paglalaro. We have only 15 seconds. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, creating some space to beat the buzzer. We have only 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 1. And that's the final buzzer. 4 up against 9. Our official score. Congratulations for Team of Region 7.